Hey guys, Kevin Bopp here, and in this video we're going to discuss the differences of defeasance versus yield maintenance and which one is right for you when choosing a loan product. Now in many cases, a borrower will have to choose between either yield maintenance and defeasance as a loan prepayment penalty. This is often the case when it comes to CMBS loans and some Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac products. Now choosing between these two options also depends on the exact terms of a lender's defeasance agreement. Defeasance is usually the optimal choice when bond interest rates are compounded monthly and payments are calculated to the maturity date, and when the overall yield maintenance prepayment penalty is greater. In contrast, yield maintenance is typically more optimal if bond interest rates are compounded annually and payments are calculated to the loan's prepayment date, and when the overall yield maintenance prepayment penalty is smaller. And so if you're shopping for a loan for your commercial property, it's vitally important that you understand all the options available to you. And this is really where an experienced loan broker can offer significant value. There is a loan product for every type of property and every type of situation. You simply want to ensure that you get the one that's best fit for your overall investment goals. And so with that, guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it brought value to you in your business. If it did, please like it. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.